Can another man claim paternity of a child born during marriage? Imagine this: you're married and your wife cheated, resulting to pregnancy. Can another man claim paternity of that child? Will the law recognize the other man as the father of the child, or will the husband be presumed to be the father of the child because of marriage? Under Section 165 of the Evidence Act, a child born during a valid marriage or 280 days after the dissolution of marriage, so far the woman remains unmarried, the law presumes that that child belongs to the husband. But that's not where it ends. As a matter of law, a presumption is not the end of a matter. In fact, it is the beginning, because that presumption can be contested or disputed. This is exactly what happened in the case of Balogun versus Balogun, and I'm going to give you the facts of this case. In that case, the wife filed for a divorce. The husband responded by accusing the wife of committing adultery and sought custody of the first child of the marriage. The man alleged to have had an affair with the wife was later joined in the suit, and that's where the case took an interesting and dramatic turn. The man claimed that he is the biological father of the first child of the marriage. An interesting twist, if you ask me. The wife then requested for a DNA test. The husband agreed or consented. The man alleged to have committed adultery with the wife also agreed for that DNA test. The result came out, and the man alleged to have committed adultery with the wife was found to be the biological father of that child. On the basis of that DNA test, the court found that the man alleged to have committed adultery with the wife was actually the biological father of the first child. So what's the lesson here? A child born during the subsistence of a valid marriage is presumed to be the child of the husband. But that is a presumption. And in law, a presumption can be contested with sufficient evidence. So, where there is evidence that the wife committed adultery and another man is responsible for that child, in certain situations or circumstances, the court can rule that the person the wife committed adultery with is actually the father of the child. And where there is sufficient evidence, the court can do away with such presumption and allow a paternity test to be conducted to determine the paternity of a child. So let me ask you, if a wife cheated, do you think the man she committed adultery with has a right to contest the paternity of a child during a valid marriage? I'd like you to drop your thoughts in the comment section. I hope you find this insightful and helpful. Keep watching Law Synopsis. I will see you in the next episode.